Most people get this wrong. They assume Clarivo is just another payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Clarivo combines early wage access, flexible installment plans, and financial tracking features into a single platform. This makes it more than just a short-term cash solution. It can help you manage your money responsibly when used wisely. Here's how Clarivo works. First, it lets you access part of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for urgent bills or unexpected expenses. Second, Clarivo allows eligible purchases to be split into smaller installments over a few weeks, charging a flat, predictable fee rather than traditional interest, which makes budgeting much simpler. The app also includes dashboards, reminders, and notifications to help track your spending and upcoming payments. This can reduce the chance of missed payments and encourage responsible usage. The downside, overuse can become expensive. Relying too heavily on Clarivo or missing payments can add up quickly, and it may mask deeper financial issues instead of addressing them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Set up reminders for every payment. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to limit dependence. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Irregular income or poor repayment habits could make Clarivo more costly than helpful. In conclusion, Clarivo in 2026 is a practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and tips for managing your money effectively.